Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn on talkback function in Samsung Galaxy S22. To turn on talkback, we need to go to settings, then we are looking for our accessibility options menu. Here it is, and at the top we have talkback. Before we turn it on, it's good to read instructions. So, how to use talkback? Swipe right or left to move between items. Double tap to activate an item. Drag two fingers to scroll. So, enable talkback. Yes, allow.
Talkback on. Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback. Close button. Close tutorial. Close button. Talkback.
And as you can see,
Navigate up button. Double tap to activate. Double tap
it's
and hold
working
to long
as
press.
intended and as we have in the instructions. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.